welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. Today is Adalynne's birthday and she is having a princess birthday party. She is so excited and she's all done up. She is so excited to show everybody what she's wearing. And I am about to head out into the garage and start finishing up last minute things. I just have to blow up a few more balloons and just get a little bit of more things done, and then I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys an overview of the party before it gets all messed up and before everybody gets here. I want you guys to really see what we did. I am absolutely in love with the theme that we did this year. It is so pretty, so girly, and it is just, it's adorable. We have Tangled playing on the TV, so if you guys hear some background noise, it's Tangled playing. We spent all day yesterday getting everything ready and done. We were literally in the garage from noon to midnight. I'm not even kidding. I didn't even get to bed until like 1:30 last night. I was exhausted, but I'm just so happy with the way everything turned out. We had to make last minute trips to Walmart. I did run out of balloons. I thought I bought so many balloons and I didn't have enough balloons, so we had to run to Walmart last night and just grab some balloons. And yeah, everything's done and ready, princess? Are you so excited? Yeah? It's Tootie's balloon? Yeah, I love your outfit. You're so beautiful. Happy birthday. I love you. Go ahead.